Okay guys, today we are doing a Troy-bilt pressure washer recoil, 2700 psi, 2.3 gallons per minute. It has a Briggs & Stratton ready start, 7.75, 175 cc motor on it. First thing we're going to do is take the three 8mm bolts out. Now we've got the bolts out and the recoil off, we're going to pull all the rope out. Now this customer has obviously been in this. The spring is disconnected, the lobes don't want to come back in, and this is loose. So on these recoils, you got to turn clockwise to loosen it. Push these lobes in. We're going to lift it straight up off and see what's going on with the spring. Okay, so nothing's wrong with it. He just didn't have it connected properly. So when you put it in, you want to get it in a way, that's hard to see, where the spring, see the slot right there? Where the spring is before this notch is to one side of it, to the right hand side of it, where you can get it over it and then turn it into it. Oh, see, it missed it. So you got to come back out and try it again. I think you got to catch it up top, that's what it is. But it's easier to do it with both hands. You got to get this hook right there. That hook has to go in that notch right there. Once you get in there, you'll feel the tension on it where it wants to come back. And you can let it back, just don't let it sling back or it'll come right unhooked again. Alright, so now we're going to put the dog ears in. So they'll fit right in there, perfect. See, it's the shape of it goes right with the spool. Now there's little knobs on top of there. They set in these grooves. So we'll set this in place to where it'll be in those grooves and then tighten it down. Lefty tighty on this one. Counterclockwise to tighten it. Okay, so you're going to have it to where these notches are on the insides here. So when you pull this recoil, it'll, I hope that wasn't the spring was popping, it'll open the pawls, they'll pop out. I think I popped that spring. I did. I popped the spring. I got to take it all apart to do it again. Alright, so I'm going to bend this spring over to where it's more lined up like it's supposed to be. That should do it. Get it right on inside there so it really grabs a hold of that. I don't want it to let go again. Now that I got it in there, you can't see in the video, oh there, you can see the hook lying right up with that spot that it's supposed to. Right in there. And then you turn it, you can tighten it up and it'll slide right in. Now it's there. Now we'll put that top back on again. Okay, so now when you turn it, the pawls come out and it wants to come back. Alright, so now we're going to go get the rope ready. Okay, so we're going to light the end of the rope, get it heated up really good, pull it to a point. Then we're going to go into, we're going to line this hole up with this hole, straight like that. We're going to go in through here. Get our rope to go in that. Now we'll tie, I like to do a double, you go through once, go through twice, and bring it up. This makes a bigger knot. Pull it to. I always remove this piece on these because it makes it impossible to get the rope out of. So you cut it there, there, get it out of there. Now you can grab your rope easy. Now you go counterclockwise, hold that end over. Counterclockwise, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Pull the rope through, let it back slowly. Don't let it go too fast or the spring will pop out on you again. Alright, do that. And then one more time. Pull it out. One more loop. It's done. Here, pause.
And go.
Alright, so now we're going to take and hold this rope right here. We're going to, because that's where it's got tension on it. Cut it off. Take the lighter, light the end. Pull it to a point. Stick it in the handle. Tie a quick square knot. And that's it. We'll put it back on, ready to go. Anything you need will be in the description. I'll put a whole brand new recoil if I can find it, rope, handle, spring, whatever this thing might ever need. If this helped you in any way, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Here's today's shirt.